Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate code reviews with Bitbucket step by step clearly. To automate code reviews with Bitbucket, begin by logging into your Bitbucket account. Navigate to the repository where you want to set up the automation. Click on the repository settings option in the left sidebar. Locate the webhooks section in the settings menu. Click on the Add Webhook button to create a new webhook. Enter a title for your webhook that describes its purpose. In the URL field, input the endpoint where your code review automation tool is located. Select the triggers that will activate the webhook, such as pull request created or pull request updated. Click the Save. Next, set up your automation tool to listen for incoming webhooks from Bitbucket. Configure your automation tool to perform code reviews based on the incoming payload. Ensure that the tool can access the necessary source code from your Bitbucket repository. Create review rules or criteria within your automation tool to specify what should be checked in each code review. Test the integration by creating a pull request in your Bitbucket repository. Verify that your automation tool receives the webhook notification and processes the review. Review the results generated by your automation tool for any issues. Make adjustments to your review rules as necessary to refine the process. Finally, monitor the performance of your automated code review system to ensure it meets your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.